Hey everybody, my name's Kevin Henley. I'm just going to show what I did for my beginnings project in week 1. I decided to make my theme a city theme with cars up on the interstate, and the ball would basically roll around kind of interacting with things. I wasn't sure how to get the cars to move at that point. I wasn't able to get the door to interact either the way I wanted it to, but I decided to get around with the collision, switching to the next scene. And I did it to where it was a key command, so each time you hit tab, it would bring you to the different scene. Just a scene 2 where you get into the building and the ball basically just rolls around the inside and kind of interacts with the chairs and the table. And then you can hit tab to go back to scene 1 and start again. So this was the second week when I did Pong. And the only thing I think I was missing was being able to get the ball to start off at the beginning again once a player would score. And I wasn't quite sure how to do that at that point. One thing I was very happy with, though, was when I originally started making the game, the paddles would bounce very rapidly back and forth until one of them would eventually just either fly off the board completely or get stuck in the wall and would no longer be able to move. So I figured out that just changing the value of the bounce on the paddles helped a lot and made it to where it was a lot more playable. Alright, so this is my week 3 project. I decided to take everything that I learned before and apply it into this game, where you are a cube that you control to get to the end of the map, where you get a red door, and when you get to that red door you pass through to go to the next level. On the way there, though, you have all these red lasers that are bouncing back and forth that if you get hit by them, they'll take 10 points off your health. And the basic overall theme of the maps was, you start out in the streets of the neighborhood, and then you go into the door that takes you into a house, and once you get to the end of that house, you go to the back and you go through a door that will take you to the backyard. And then once you get to the end of the backyard and get through that door, you basically win the game.